Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, today we are going to learn new chapter, which is chapter 4 with the title of reproduction. Okay, first one, we are going to see what is asexual and also asexual reproduction. Okay, so firstly, what is meant by reproduction? Reproduction is a process where living organisms produce new individuals, or in other words, we are going to say that all living organisms produce their babies or children. Okay, so type of reproduction. We have two types of reproduction. The first one is will be sexual reproduction and also asexual reproduction. So, sexual reproduction means it involves a reproductive cell. Remember we learned we have two types of reproductive cell. The first one will be sperm and also the second one will be ovum. Okay, sexual reproduction occur usually in human and also higher level plants and also animals, or in other words, the multicellular organisms. Okay, but asexual reproduction, the A means without, so without sexual contact. Okay, so asexual reproduction not involve reproductive cell, which means no sperm and also no ovum, and it occur in certain plants only. For example, onion, potatoes, ginger, and also simple organisms, or usually unicellular organisms. Okay, what is asexual reproduction? As I said, sexual reproduction is the main type of reproduction and carried out by most of humans, animals, and also plants, and it involves male parents, okay, or they will produce sperm from the testes, and also female parents that will produce ovum from the ovaries. Okay, so this is the sperm, okay, the sperm that is produced from the testes of male parents, and this will be the ovum produced from the female parents from the ovaries, and when they meet up or when they combine, they will undergo fertilization, the process named fertilization. Okay, and fertilization, we have two types of fertilization. The first one is internal fertilization and the second one will be external. Internal, which means inside, external, which means outside the body. So this is the comparison between internal and external fertilization. So when does internal fertilization occur? Okay, it will occur when the nucleus of male and also female gamete combine inside the body, but external will be outside the body. Okay, where it occur? Okay, as usual lah, it occur, internal will be inside the female body, and also they will release their gametes or sperm and also ovum outside from their body. And the process of internal fertilization, male gamete will release inside female reproductive organs and combine to form zygote. In other words, the sperm must be inside the body, they combine inside the body. And also the process of external fertilization, the gamete usually swim into the egg and also they combine outside the body. Okay, now what is meant by asexual reproduction? They will occur usually in simple organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, and hydra. If you're able to recall back, amoeba and also paramecium is the example of unicellular organism, which means the simple organism. Okay, plants such as onions, ginger, and also potatoes. Okay, for asexual reproduction, they will need ovum or sperm, or they will need female and also male organism, because only one parent will involve here, and also no fertilization between the sperm and also the ovum, and also new individual will be same genetically and no variation, which means what the parent is, the children will be like that, and between the children there will be no differences, which means no variation. Okay, so this is types of asexual reproduction. We have 5 together. The first one is budding, regeneration, spore formation, binary fission, and also vegetative reproduction. So what is budding reproduction? Okay, budding, which means the organism, this is the first parent, will form buds, okay, and it will develop to form a new organism which is similar, same like the parents, and when it is big enough, they will detach, which means separate from the parent, so they will form 2 individuals. Okay, regeneration, this one is very interesting, because from one parent, one individual, they will just cut off their body, and every segment, for example this is the tail, will also produce their head to form new organism. This is the head, produce the tail, to form new organism. So if let's say the individuals separate into 5, they will form new 5 individuals. So very easy to reproduce. Okay. Now the third one is a spore formation, which means the plant or the organism will have a spore. Spore is one bundle that will carry genetic information. After certain time, the spores will break down, and also the spores will be transported to other place and also will form a new organism. Okay, the fourth one is binary fission. Okay, this is the parent cell. The nucleus will be divided. Okay, and also the cytoplasm also divided, and then what happened? Constriction occur at the middle, and they will form new daughter cell. So this is like the normal cell division inside our cell. Okay, and also the vegetative. Many types of vegetative reproduction, we will see this one. So vegetative, which means the parts of the plants usually will divide to form a new organism. Maybe it will happen in roots, the stems, or the leaves. Okay, this is the roots, what happen in the roots. For example, the carrots and also here potatoes. Okay, they will form a new organism, so a new organism from the roots, but here from the stem, and this one from the leaf itself. So if you're able to see, this is the leaf and this is the new leaf buds to form a new organisms. Okay, this is the comparison between the sexual and also asexual reproduction. So first, what is the similarity between sexual and asexual? Both will need parent cell, even 1 or 2. Okay, and also both will produce offspring or they will produce new organisms. Okay, now the differences. Okay, what is different between sexual and also asexual? Sexual reproduction must have 2 parent cells, which will produce male gametes and female gametes, but asexual only one also can be carried out. Okay, sexual reproduction, they will show genetic variation in offspring. For example, the first baby may be different with the second babies, and so on. But for asexual, there will be no variation. All potatoes, all carrots will have orange color. All of them also will have orange color. Okay, and also the new offspring will difference to the parent cell. This is because of the genetic information from the female and also from the male gametes. But for asexual, new offspring will be similar to the parent cell. Okay, now what are the importance of reproduction? Why most of the living things needs reproduction in their life? Because the first one, they will increase the number of organisms. Yes, okay, from one parents, okay, they will produce 2 or 3 offspring. And second, to ensure the survival of a species, prevent the extinction of a species, and also the heredity of genetic information. So these are the importance of reproduction. You must remember about this one. Okay, that's all for today. We are going to see you on the next video. Thank you.